Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2020 Honda Civic SR. This car comes with the 1.6 diesel turbo engine and the manual gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, returning up to 62 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 18 and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 18,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is the metallic polished metal and looks in good condition and fair mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you'll see the interior is nice and clean. The seats here are really supportive with a nice hard wearing fabric. There's an armrest there in the centre for the front passengers too. And then onto the dashboard, you've got your multimedia screen there in the centre for your DAB radio, Apple Carplay and Bluetooth for example. And this car also has climate control. And then you have the cruise control there on the right hand side of the steering wheel. Left hand side, you've got the functions for your multimedia screen. And this car also has the automatic headlights and wipers. And then finally, on the driver's door card, your electric folding mirror and full window controls. Let's open the rear doors. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts. And it's good to see the car's got the original Honda carpet floor mats too. And then as you open the tailgate on the Civic, you have a ginormous boot there, which goes back quite a way, with the split folding rear seats and the clever parcel shelf, with one part there and the other part is attached to the tailgate. Underneath the boot floor, it's good to see the car's got the space saver wheel. And then externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the 17-inch alloy wheels, front and rear parking sensors and a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.